According to the spec, the battery capacity is 1,800 milliamps. "24 hours on low light setting." "4 hours on high light setting." That's the charging speed. I like the fact that it's using a Type-C cable. Recently, a lot more electronics are converting to Type-C. Okay, according to the USB meter, it's charging at almost 4 watts, 3.7. By the way, this is the power port strip 3 from Anker. Okay, it can be used when it is being recharged. Let me turn off the light. I like I like the fact that you don't have to hold the power button to turn it on. It's just one simple touch. And you can also change the color, temperature. And the brightness. This is the lowest brightness. This is the highest brightness setting. By turning it on, you are consuming a little bit more power when charging, but still less than 5 watts. The magnets is super strong. I think you can mount this on any metal surface.